Are you tired of the daily 9 to 5 grind? Sick of all the endless meetings and emails on the loop? Ever felt like the weekends are not weekends anymore? And the next thing you know, it's Monday again. Deep down, all of us want to have a life outside the grind, where weekends would actually feel like weekends. One where we can have time for the things that we truly want and matter. Like pursuing your passion in art or writing, traveling the world, not waking up to the sound of your alarm, and a whole lot more. But what if I tell you there's a way to do just that? And it's all by watching this video. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Enough drooling all about your dream life, because the good news is, this isn't just a fantasy. You can actually do it. There's a world out there where passive income exists, where money flows into your bank account even while you sleep, where you can break the chains of the 9 to 5 grind. Don't believe me? Let me introduce to you Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki has some amazing passive income strategies that will just make your dreams finally come true. Passive Income 101. So what exactly is passive income? If you've ever heard of that saying, make money while you sleep, or make your money work for you, passive income is exactly that. It's a way to earn money consistently without the constant hustle of a traditional job. Passive income comes in automatically like clockwork. Because let's be honest, who even likes working 8 to 9 hours a day from Monday to Friday? And don't get me started on overtime. Robert Kiyosaki encourages us to shift our focus toward having passive income to escape the grind. And here's the best part. Passive income isn't just for the rich people. It's for anyone who wants to break free from the alarm clock and make every day feel like a relaxing Sunday. So let's cut to the chase, shall we? Here are some passive income ideas you might want to have. Starting off with number 1, real estate. It has long been a cornerstone of passive income strategies and is still a crowd favorite, and with good reason. Just imagine, from paying your dues to a landlord to becoming the landlord. Imagine this, owning a well-maintained property with a reliable tenant. The rent not only covers the mortgage but provides a steady stream of additional income. You've essentially created a self-sustaining system, freeing your time for other pursuits. As Robert Kiyosaki suggests, focus on acquiring desirable properties that tenants are eager to call home. This ensures consistent rental income and helps chip away at your mortgage, building equity over time. It's a win-win situation. They get a great place to live, and you get a path to financial freedom. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Down payments on properties can be a bummer. But this is where the beauty of REITs, or real estate investment trusts, comes in. These companies act as shortcuts for those starting their investment journey. REITs own a portfolio of properties and distribute a portion of their profits or dividends to investors. It's like buying a slice of a diversified real estate pie, offering a taste of the market even with limited capital. The key to unlocking real estate's potential lies in a simple word: location. Just like finding the perfect business partner, it's about compatibility. But in real estate, the magic word is appreciation. Look for properties in areas with high demand, like trendy neighborhoods with cafes and schools. Properties in these areas are more likely to appreciate in value over time, making you richer even while you're catching up on important tasks. Or, let's be honest, some well-deserved rest. It's like a well-aged wine. The longer you hold onto it, the more valuable it becomes. Number 2, the stock market. Let's talk about dividend-paying stocks. These wonder assets are like a steady stream of income, a portion of a company's profits delivered right to you. Imagine owning shares in a successful company and receiving regular payouts without ever having to sell your stocks. Sounds too good to be true? Not quite. Think of it like a game of Monopoly, but with real money. Robert Kiyosaki suggests seeking out companies with a strong financial track record and a history of consistently paying dividends or yields. These chocolate lava cake stocks, as Kiyosaki calls them, deliver reliable income streams that grow over time, just like your passive income pufferfish inflating with air. Here's the key takeaway from Kiyosaki's wisdom. Stocks can be your ticket to passive income paradise, but only if you choose them wisely. Think of it like cherry-picking the best apples from the orchard. Focus on high-quality, established companies with a proven track record. Remember his story about the company with a 20% annual return? Wouldn't you love a slice of that pie? Number 3. Debt. Call me crazy, but what if I tell you that Robert Kiyosaki sees debt not as a bad guy, but also as a potential for building wealth? Here's the surprising twist. Robert Kiyosaki suggests using other people's money, basically debt, to finance investments. This strategy, if done right, can accelerate your wealth creation by allowing you to acquire assets, like real estate or stocks, that generate income beyond your own savings. Imagine owning several rental properties, all financed with borrowed money. That produce steady cash flow. Sounds good, right? However, there's a crucial catch. Debt is a double-edged sword. If used wisely, it can propel you to financial success. When you use it poorly, it can leave you buried in repayments. The key lies in understanding good debt versus bad debt. Good debt is a debt used to invest in assets that appreciate in value or generate income over time, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. This debt helps your wealth grow faster than the interest expense you pay on the loan. Bad debt is a debt used to finance depreciating assets or everyday expenses. Think credit card debt for clothes or car loans. These create a financial burden without generating a return. It is not beginner-friendly if you ask me, but hey, it works. You just have to learn how to walk on a tightrope. Number 4. Business. Another passive income crowd favorite. Sure, memes are going on the internet like I started a business to not work a 9 to 5, but to work 24 hours. But business is a powerful form of passive income. You just have to know this secret. It's all about systems and automation. Think of McDonald's. Their franchise model is a prime example. You, the owner, invest in setting up the systems, hiring staff, training them, and creating efficient processes. The beauty? The business runs without your constant presence. Customers come in, buy fries, and your income flows. Now, Robert Kiyosaki isn't suggesting starting a burger empire. The point is that any business can be structured for passive income. Focus on building a strong team, delegating tasks, and creating clear systems. This allows you to step away, knowing the business keeps generating revenue. It is not a walk in the park. Building a successful business requires effort upfront. But with the right strategy, your business can become a passive income machine, freeing you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Sounds good, don't you think? There are a lot of ways to choose your passive income. At this point, you may have started daydreaming again, but let me slap you with some hard-hitting reality. Passive income sounds easy until it's not. You've got to know the ins and outs. The biggest risk you will face when you start generating passive income is not the market volatility or bad investment choices. Your biggest hurdle is you. Are you really financially literate enough to navigate the complexities of passive income? Do you have the risk tolerance and the self-control to manage debt strategically, or will it become a burden? The truth is, passive income isn't magic. It requires education, calculated risk-taking, and a long-term commitment. But the rewards can be life-changing: freedom, flexibility, and the ability to pursue your passions. The question is, are you ready to be the architect of your own financial future? If you're serious about building passive income streams, don't just hit subscribe. Take action, research, educate yourself, and explore the strategies that resonate with you. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So, what will your reflection in the investment mirror reveal? A passive income powerhouse or a bystander watching the game unfold? The choice is yours. And as always, thank you for watching. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button to get notified of our latest videos.